Hello students, exercise 8.1 question number 5. The question is given sec theta equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So one ratio is given, sec theta equal to 13 by 12. Find other 5 ratios. Okay, the first you draw one right angle triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. A, B, C, any right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree. And let this angle A is theta. This is less than 90, acute angle. And it is given sec theta equal to 13 by 12. So, solution given sec theta equal to 13 by 12, and sec theta means we know reciprocal of cos, and cos is base by hypotenuse, so sec is hypotenuse by base, that is h by B, hypotenuse by base, h by B. Now 13 by 12 is a ratio. This is not actual value. So we cannot say h equal to 13 and B equal to 12. So for this, take h equal to 13k, and that is hypotenuse equal to 13k and base equal to 12k. So let hypotenuse be 13k and base be 12k, where k be any positive number, k be any positive number. That means AC is hypotenuse, so AC equal to 13k, AC equal to 13k and base 12k, AB. So perpendicular BC we have to find using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. So we know Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So in triangle ABC, hypotenuse is AC. AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. This is Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. Now AC is 13k whole square equal to BC. BC is perpendicular, not given, we don't know, and AB is base 12k whole square. So 13k whole square, that is 13 into 13, 169k square equal to bc square plus 12 into 12, 144k square. Now 169k square minus 144k square equal to bc square. So 169 minus 144, 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4, 2, that is 25k square equal to bc square. So bc equal to under root 25k square equal to 5k. Root 25 equal to 5. So SC equal to 5k, that is perpendicular. Therefore perpendicular P equal to 5k. Okay, now first sine theta equal to sine theta we know perpendicular by, that is P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So P equal to 5k and H equal to 13k. K cancel, so equal to 5 by 13. Then cos theta, base by hypotenuse equal to base equal to 12k and H equal to 13k, so 12 by 13. Then tan theta, perpendicular by base, so P perpendicular, that is 5k and base 12k, so 5 by 12. Sin cos tan, then cosec theta. Cosec is reciprocal of sin we know, so 5 by 13 reciprocal, 13 by 5 cosec theta. Then sec theta, reciprocal of cos, so cos 12 by 13, its reciprocal 13 by 12. And last one is 13 by 12, actually it is given question, sec theta 13 by 12. Okay, then cot theta, reciprocal of tan is 5 by 12, that is 12 by 5. So sin theta is 5 by 13, cos theta is 12 by 13, tan theta 5 by 12, cosec theta 13 by 5, sec theta is given 13 by 12 and cot theta is 12 by 5. These are 6 ratios. Thank you.